Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
The following is a talk given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on August 10th, 2017 in Sri Dham, Mayapur, India. The talk was given during the first Chakra Installation ceremony at the T.O.V.P.
Krishna Pradaya Krishna Vrishaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Prahane Nirvishesha Sannivadi Vastati Dasadhana Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasari Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare
Hare. Mangalam Nayategaram Yatchipadam Hanmande Sigurundithairam Paramanandamadavam Sri Chaitanya Shram Hare Om Tat Sat. We are walking on with Srila Charan Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada.
We were walking with Srila H.H.Jayapataka Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada,
And how he was commenting that he wanted to make a spiritual city with a center, a T.O.V.P.
and he was commenting how he wanted to make a spiritual city with the center as the T.O.V.P.
Someone's in temple of understanding.
Someone said temple of understanding.
He said no understanding.
Prabhupada said no understanding.
Temple of Vedic planetarium.
Temple of Vedic planetarium.
This will be according to the Shastras and Bhagavatam.
It would be according to the Shastras and Bhagavatam.
One of these times he asked Amrish Prabhu what he thought.
So many times he asked Ambarish Prabhu what he thought.
He said, "You want to present our philosophy and the science and in our planetarium."
We want to present our philosophy in science in our planetarium,
Temple.
the temple.
So Amrish said, "Oh, that sounds like a good idea."
Ambarish Prabhu said, it sounds like a good idea.
Prabhupada told them, "You finance it."
Prabhupada told him, so you finance it.
And His Grace, Amrish Das, he built the main structure.
And His Grace Ambarish Das, he built the main structure
And left a little service for us.
and left little service for us.
And so we're very grateful to Amrish Das,
So we are very grateful to Ambarish Das,
Sahadasi,
Swaha Dasi,
for their contribution to make this possible.
for their contribution to make this possible.
As we know that in Krishna Prema we have the sentiment and the affection for Lord Chaitanya.
We know that in Krishna Prema we have the sentiment and affection for Lord Chaitanya,
But we may not be that advanced.
but we may not be that advanced.
But the similar results are available by service, attitude, enthusiasm.
But similar results are available through service attitude and enthusiasm.
In fact, Rupa Swami said that we should have enthusiasm, patience,
With Rupa Goswami, he said that we should have enthusiasm, patience.
so Prabhupada was so enthusiastic.
Prabhupada was so enthusiastic.
We're very grateful for the T.O.V.P. team
Very grateful for the T.O.V.P. team
who has shown a tremendous service attitude.
who have shown a tremendous service attitude.
Sadhuj Das
Sadbhuj Das
and our engineers,
our engineers,
fundraisers,
fundraisers,
so many devotees,
so many devotees,
all those donors who have given donations or pledges,
all those donors who have given donations or pledges
around the world.
from around the world.
This service attitude
Their service attitude
is really endearing.
is really endearing.
Remember that Lord Chaitanya had Buddhimanta Khan and Shivananda Sen
Remember that Lord Chaitanya had Buddhimanta Khan and Shivananda Sen
offer costumes for drama.
offer costumes for drama.
They were so happy to have been given service.
They were so happy for having been given service.
Prabhupada was very merciful
Prabhupada was very merciful
that he gave us so much service.
that he gave us so much service.
So Prabhupada ki.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
So we're working on how we're discussing all the explanations of the cosmology,
We are working on all the explanations of the cosmology
based on the chandelier in the main temple.
based on the chandelier in the main temple.
We're also trying to explain that.
We are also trying to explain that.
So your point is that, just as Prabhupada said,
The point is that just as Prabhupada said,
we are quoting from the Shastra.
quoting from the Shastra,
That's our science.
that is our science.
That the visible universe is explained by the Vedas,
That the visible universe is explained by the Vedas,
and parts of the universe, the cosmos, which is beyond the possibility of modern science,
and parts of the universe which is beyond the possibility of modern science
is also described in the Vedas.
is also described in the Vedas.
So this is a very great preaching facility.
So this will be a very great preaching facility.
Everyone should keep up their enthusiasm and service attitude.
Everyone should keep up their enthusiasm and service attitude.
We thank the Janivas Prabhu and others
We thank Jannivas Prabhu and others
who are going around and giving Lord Nityananda's padukas.
who are going around and giving Lord Nityananda's padukas
Such a blessing.
special blessings.
So we know that the chakra is the symbol of Vishnu's Sudarshan chakra.
We know that the chakra is the symbol of Vishnu's Sudarshan chakra.
And that this chakra will defend the T.O.V.P. and his son,
And that this chakra will defend T.O.V.P. and ISKCON.
I'm very grateful that we have possibility to participate.
We are very grateful that we have the possibility to participate
in this Sudarshan Chakra installation.
in this Sudarshan chakra installation.
Since there's a short time,
Since there is short time,
I'll end here.
I'll end here.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you very much. Now I invite Jananivas Prabhu to speak a few words. Jananivas Prabhu, in his very elderly age, he was traveling with us from 2015. Ambrish Prabhu and Bhavanand Prabhu wanted him to travel on this tour. So it took him a great sacrifice to leave Mayapur. When we went to America, he said two things which I promised myself I would never do in my life. So we asked, what are the two things which you promised to yourself? He said, the first thing, when I joined in Mayapur, I decided I would never travel to America. Krishna, Radha Madhav broke that promise. And I asked, what is the next promise which you made? He said, that I promised to myself when I joined in Mayapur, I would never ask anyone for money. And Krishna broke that promise also. In order to build this Mayapur temple, I would do anything for the glorification of Mayapur. I would do anything. So, Jananivas Prabhu now. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. T.O.V.P. ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So, it's a very auspicious place, time, everything is auspicious. Where the chakra is now, just behind that, is where in 1972 Srila Prabhupada laid the Anantadev for the foundation of the project here. So almost exactly the same spot, just a little behind a little bit. And Srila Prabhupada was so enthusiastic to do this project that he personally climbed down the hole. It was quite a deep hole, about 15 feet deep. And Prabhupada was looking down, giving some directions, and he decided to go down himself. Little rickety old bamboo ladder, and Prabhupada is like a little boy. He was very youthful. And suddenly he just jumped down the hole. He's like a little elf or something like that. He was really happy during that period. He invited all of his godbrothers here and everyone, and everyone was in awe of Prabhupada. He had about 70 Western disciples with him, Americans, and first time, so many things were happening for the first time. So Prabhupada showed so much enthusiasm for getting this project together. And in one letter, he was telling some person how he is building this 350 feet high temple. He's spending this much money. He's got government permission. He's got this, describing everything. And then Srila Prabhupada said, now, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's happiness is there, it will be taken up. So I think Lord Chaitanya is very happy. So much has been taken up already. All the structure is almost, that's all finished. So it's not, so it's, it appears that Lord Chaitanya's pleasure is there. So more and more we can increase Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pleasure, the more and more speedy we will see the result of T.O.V.P. Srila Prabhupada ki. Nitai Gaur Premanandi.
Thank you, John and Nivas Prabhu. He told me a story also. I'm going to tell a short story. When Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur was building the Chaitanya Mat, there was a BD break. The workers used to have a BD break. And Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he said, please don't take a BD break. I will roll the BD for you. Don't worry. We don't want even to waste 1 second. We want to complete this temple. We want to finish this temple. Similarly, we wanted to open this temple in 2022. No break. No break. We want to open in 2022. So our team, Sadbhuj Prabhu, Prem Avatar Prabhu is always in the back. Prem Avatar Prabhu, please come. Sadbhuj Prabhu has put in a lot of efforts so that there is no break. We finish this temple for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada. Sadbhuj Prabhu, please come.
Hare Krishna. T.O.V.P. Ki Jai. And Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. And all the assembled devotees that are here today. Now this very auspicious day, this Homa that we're having is the beginning of the domes being completed, ready to do all the other embellishments all around. Now you can see this chakra here to the left. This is 3.5 meters in diameter, made out of pure stainless steel, of course the best stainless steel. This is all done in Russia, mind you. And there's a liquid gold coating on there, pure gold. Not just a little layer, but quite a lot of gold in there. So this chakra, when it gets lifted up there, will stay up there forever. It's not coming down again. And we'll be up there from this very moment up top of that dome. So today is that very auspicious day. When we started the work here with the Russians coming from Moscow, the Russian engineers and the workers, and also the workers from our team are also Russian devotees that are doing all this work. We had a problem. The monsoon arrived, and for a period of time, about 3 weeks ago, it wouldn't stop raining. And I thought, the monsoon nightmare has begun for me. How are we going to do this? How are we going to actually start working and doing the work and the welding up there, the plating, the setting, the titanium nitrate? I thought it would be an impossible task. We all in the T.O.V.P. were praying very hard that this rain will stop. This monsoon rain will just ease off a little bit. I went to the temple, to Radha Madhava and all the deities. I was praying, please, somehow this rain has to stop. And the next day, through the blessings of all the Vaishnavas, it did stop. And I've been following the weather pattern. It's coming from the Bombay side, going down south, then crossing over towards Burma and Bangladesh, missing us completely. And that pattern was there every day, and it's still every day up to today. I've been following it at least 10 times a day. So it's been very auspicious for us to have no rain for these few weeks. Once we lift the chakra up there, if it rains, nobody blame me, please. So this is such a wonderful event to do this and have a beautiful Vaikuntha breezes coming today, very auspicious to actually lift it up there, the chakra. The Kailashas up there now will be completed in about 2 days or 1.5 days fully. You can see also the chatris around. They're also gold. They've got the titanium nitrate there. And we are now waiting for the next containers for the Nrsingadev dome and the main dome for the deities. We'll be commencing that in about a few weeks' time. Also, I want to make a plan by the mercy of the Vaishnavas and Krishna, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhupada, that this coming Gaur-Purnim, we will have the Nrsingadev dome complete. So we're aiming for that. And also we're aiming for the main chakra on the main dome to be complete. Because the main chakra on the main dome is 7 meters. This is only 3.5. That is going to be an amazing task. So we would like to do that for Gaur-Purnim. Even this chakra you see now is 1,400 kilos. It's no joke. It's quite an accomplishment to do that. So you can see that, like I said, by the mercy of everybody, that this has come up so well. Hare Krishna.
So I am feeling very unqualified to speak in front of my Guru Maharaj and all the Srila Prabhupada disciples, senior Vaishnavas here, and standing at the world headquarters of our ISKCON society. So I thank Ambarish Prabhu to give this order to speak something. So my Guru Maharaj told that this temple is a declaration of war against Kali and Maya. So there will be a lot of obstacles to build this project, because as soon as this project will be built up, the Gauranga's message will spread all over the world. And Jananivas Prabhu said that from this temple, the service of Lord Gauranga will spread all over the world. So this is the source, the energy of our Sankirtan movement. So taking this opportunity, being the servant of Mayapur project, I appeal to the devotees from all over the world, those who are seeing on Mayapur TV, please bless the T.O.V.P. team, please bless the Mayapur management and all the devotees, those who are connected with this wonderful project, so that we can complete this project in 2022. Because as soon as we finish the building of this wonderful Temple of Vedic Planetarium, then real ISKCON will manifest. So this is our great privilege to be part of this project. And actually, this is not a project of Mayapur. This is not the project of ISKCON India. This is not the project of ISKCON. This is the project of the whole world. So this will be the headquarters of our Gauriya Vaishnavism. And more we delay, more we lose the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. Just like Krishna told Arjuna that I have killed all the soldiers. but if you kill, you'll get the credit. Whether we build or we don't build, it will be built. It's already built. So whoever manifests this temple, they will get the credit. Although the Vaishnavas don't want to get the credit, but in order to get the mercy, we should give our heart, energy, and all our enthusiasm to manifest this project and complete it as soon as possible. And that will be only be possible when we cooperate. Mahaprabhu wants to see that how much we cooperate. According to the level of our cooperation, this temple will manifest. So it is our prime duty as the followers of Srila Prabhupada to cooperate with each other. And by seeing our sincere cooperation, Mahaprabhu will definitely bless us. And by his blessings only, this temple will manifest and complete in 2022. With this prayer, I will end my talk. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srila Prabhupada Transcendental Temple of Vedic Planetarium ki, Samaveta Gaura Bhakta Vrinda ki, Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Jayapataka Maharaj wanted to speak a few words. Before that, one second, I will. From Ambrish Prabhu, Swaha Mataji, and the whole T.O.V.P team, there are so many viewers who are watching from all over the world. We have traveled all over the world, and all of those devotees has participated in this program. And every house you go, everywhere in the world, they have Narsinghadev, they have Radha Madhav, they have Panchatattva in their home. Mayapur is their place of worship. As Prabhupada said, it is really happening. We could see. So we thank all those devotees who have participated in this project. And now, I give it to Maharaj. He wanted to make an important statement, a very important statement. This would not be possible without the help of. Now Maharaj is going to say.
The GDC has really taken up Prabhupada's mission and supporting this.
The GBC has really taken up Srila Prabhupada's mission in supporting this.
And the T.O.V.P has made some presentations to the GDC, and they're always pushing more funds to be raised.
The T.O.V.P has made some presentations to the GBC, and they're always pushing for more funds to be raised.
On the GDC, some of the members have forbidden their Guru Dakshin, some have.
On the GBC, some gurus have given their Guru Dakshina.
Some have told disciples to give large donations.
Some have told disciples to give lots of donations.
So I want to say that at ISKCON's spiritual headquarters,
I wanted to say that ISKCON's spiritual headquarters,
GDC is very much concerned that
the GBC is very much concerned that
the temple of Vedic Planetarium is successfully completed.
the temple of the Vedic Planetarium is successfully completed.
And when the news came out, there were many replies on the internet.
When the news came out, there were many replies on the internet
expressing their appreciation.
expressing their appreciation.
Also, we want to thank the Master of Ceremonies who's heading up our fundraising now.
Also, I wanted to thank our Master of Ceremonies who's heading up the fundraising, Brajavilas Prabhu.
He wasn't mentioned, but he's been taking forward this fundraising.
He hasn't been mentioned, but he's the one taking forward the fundraising
At this time.
At this time,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
I have one last statement to make, because this is fundraising and I cannot stop myself without asking for money. This is what I'm here for. Hare Krishna Prabhu. This is what I'm here for. So today you see this chakra, and Jayapataka Maharaj, he is going to hoist this flag. Victory flag! This is a victory flag. Jayapataka Maharaj, the victory flag which he is going to hoist, and we are going to put up the chakra. So there are a lot of viewers who are seeing this program. There are a lot of you who are here. This is one of the greatest opportunity for all of you to come forward and participate. But at this time, we want someone to sponsor the flag and the chakra for today, which is just $25,000. Today, $25,000. We are going to hoist the flag, and that flag as a prasad, we will send it. Those who sponsor $25,000 or 15 lakh, you can do it in 3 years. You can do it in 3 years. So the opportunity is there. The first flag which has been hoisted in Mayapur in the Temple of Vedic Planetarium, $25,000, 15 lakh. You can email me, you can contact me. Everywhere all the informations are available. So please take this opportunity, and thank you all very much with great gratitude from the whole T.O.V.P team and Ambrish Prabhu, with great gratitude. We thank you all very much. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So now we will start with the yagya. After the yagya, then we will be doing the drishti, flag hoisting, abhishek for Sudarshana, and then we perform the arati. Harihi Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunakto Sahaviryan Garavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Om Punanto Madeva Janaha Punanto Manasa Punanto Vishwa Bhutani Jatavara Purima. Om Asya Karmana Punyaham Bhavanto Bhavanto. Om Punyaham Om Punyaham Om Punyaham. Om Uddhateva Shagune Samaghayasi Brahma Putra Eva Savane Shashamshasi Risheva Vaji Shasharati Ravinya Sarvata Nashakure Bhadramavara Vishwata Nashakure Punyamavara. Om Asya Karmano Swasti Bhavanto Bhavanto Ayushmate Swasti. Om Swasti. Om Swasti. Om Swasti. Om Swasti Naindra Vidraishava Swasti Napusha Vishwavera Swasti Nasta
अरिष्ठनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ अस्य कर्मणो रिद्धिं भवन्तो भ्रुवन्तो अमृत्यदाम् मृद्यामस्तमं शनयामवाचमानो मन्त्रं सरतः पायात् यशोरपह्वं मरुकाशन्तरा भूतं च अश्विनोक्तामवफ्राः ॐ स्वस्ति नो गोविन्दः स्वस्ति नो अच्युतानन्दः स्वस्ति नो वासुदेव विष्णुर्ददातु स्वस्ति नो नारायणो नरो वै स्वस्ति नः परमनाभः पुरुषोत्तमो ददातु स्वस्ति नो विश्वक्सेनो विश्वेश्वरः स्वस्ति नो हृषीकेशो हरिर्ददातु स्वस्ति नो वैनाथेयो हरिः स्वस्ति नो अञ्जनसुतो हनुर्भागवतो ददातु स्वस्ति स्वस्ति सुमङ्गलैकेशः महं श्रीकृष्ण सच्चिदानन्दघन सर्वेश्वरेश्वरो ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शम्नाधेवीरविष्टाय आपो भवन्तु पीतये शयोरविश्रावन्तु न हरिः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वाहायरं विश्ववेरं नमः ॐ भव स्वाहायरमच्युतायरं नमः ॐ स्वस्वाहायरं नारायणायरं नमः ॐ भव स्वस्वाहायरं वृन्दायरं नमः
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama